Okaro, my brother.
They will judge.
You see, I am the oldest man in this family. And as such, I am the father of this family.
Nobody is disputing that. Yes.
We, your brothers, have gathered here on your behalf just to deliberate on your issue. This question of childbearing. Since your first wife and your second wife has not been able to give you a son, just like your first wife, we are suggesting that you bring in the third wife so that we can get what we want.
Yes, it is true, my brother. You know it is a taboo for you to die without anyone to continue your lineage. Therefore, since your two wives have failed to give you a son, you must marry a third wife. Yes, it is proper.
Yes. It's okay. I've heard you. There you Dodge. Let me ask you one question. How many wives are in your compound?
Okaro, I hope you understand what he's telling you or what he's saying. I have one wife, but she has been able to give me a son.
Forget about the pot. Ndodi, how many wives are in your compound?
I have one, but she has...
Forget about the pot! Both of you have one wife each, and I have two. And you are advising me, Okoro, to take a third wife, so that my house will be a war zone. If I get a third wife, don't you think they will burn my house down? Okay, Rerunu, it will not work for you. I don't blame you people. I blame my Chi for not giving me a son.
Don't go there.
But it is not my fault.
Don't go there.
Because I don't have a son, that's why I say. Don't help me!
Just to help me.
Don't help me! I don't blame you people.
Okoro.
Don't blame! No! I don't blame any of you. You can go ahead and say whatever you like.
We are not quarreling.
We are quarreling. Now I'm going to touch you are quarreling. I said we are quarreling. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. When you're questioning them, when you're questioning them. I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. It is not their fault. It is my fault. They want me to marry another wife. Well, they have only one. It will not work. You see, because my wives are giving me only girls, and that's why they want me to marry. I will not marry another one. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Is it my fault that my wife gives me only girls? It will not work. Whatever they tried, I say it will never work. For me, Okoro, to marry a third wife, two are giving me problem. That means if I marry the third one, my house will be on fire. No, it will not work. Nothing will ever make it work. God forbid. Look at a mistake they lured me into. And they want to lure me into a third wife. It cannot work. Nothing will ever make it work. To marry a third wife.
Look at you. I was living peacefully with my husband. Until if I can walk away, and went and brought you to this room. Then peace traveled. Since then, we have had no peace. I've never seen this kind of thing before.
Shameless woman. At your age, you can't say the truth. Common truth. There is nothing like truth in your mouth.
Hey, do you even know the meaning of truth? Do you know the meaning?
If I don't know the meaning of truth, at least I know that you are a big liar. You're a big, very big one.
See who is talking. I'm a big liar. You are a slim and tall liar. Yes, now.
The day I will touch you, I will use this back leg, eh? I will use,
I will use front. If I hit you with the front leg, you might fall down.
Don't know what what is it? What is it? What is it, two of you? So, both of you have sworn that I will not know peace in my house. Is that so?
Nani, but how can you have peace when you went and brought in this woman into this compound? What were you expecting?
Because you don't know anything. Because you don't know how to perform. That was why
shut up.
You have seen that
I said shut up, but
it's
shut
his
up.
fault.
It's okay. I said it's okay. I don't want to hear. Bring me again from your mouth. Oh yeah, go to your house.
Nani, on my friend right.
Give me here.
If Atalon Quarro Singwele Biabi, you know, the Ngwele has visited.
Yes.
You said who no man?
Well, I can't be a roller in Jacopena.
Okay,
I will deal with you. Just be ready.
You making
Iya far from
itoego abi?
Young Kirio for one. Makosia soy.
And look at me no so.
Yeah,
na mo na anu ko bu na anu.
And I must win no time wine na.
Woman, where are you going to?
I just got the call that Uju and her mother have started again. And from the look of things, it looks like they are fighting my mother.
Oh my God. Oh, so people have started again. You have decided to turn your father's house into a war zone, eh? Every day fight, every day fight. Can't there be peace for 1 minute in that house?
Tony, I am telling you that I might not be coming back from the village today.
Oh my goodness.
Bye-bye. I'll see you later. I'm going.
What type of temptation is this one? Huh?
Okay. I want to know why you and your mother went to fight my first wife after I've settled the matter early this morning.
Huh? Mama? Oh my God. Papa, what did you just say now? Okay! And her evil mother.
Hey! Don't call me such name again.
Shut up. Would you? I said shut up. Okay. Answer my question.
Papa, I only went to inquire why she called my mother a witch. And she started pushing us out.
Hey! Hey! Okay, you can lie. You just lie like your mother. But I don't expect anything less. A liar will always give birth to a liar.
You are a liar.
Everybody keep quiet. Now listen. I married two of you for you to give me a male child in this compound. But none of you could do that. None of you could do that.
I can still give you.
Instead, you denied me peace. You denied me happiness. I am no longer a man in this village. What exactly do you want from me? Do you want me to die in my early age? Or do you want to send me to my early grave?
You're not going to die. No, you're not going to die.
So you die and live with here with these people.
Papa, when you are done talking, let me know. Because I want to know why this Oge here will fight my mother.
I said, what is it? What is it?
What's the problem? Why are you crying? For God's sake, why are you crying?
This is how I lost my father. Just like that. My mom. What's that mean to go to the village?
So you people have finally succeeded in killing that man, eh? So Okoro is dead. I warned you, I believe you about this thing. Everyday fight, eh? You turned that place to Iraq and Iran zone, eh? Just imagine. Oh my God. Now you will learn your lesson. You will learn your bitter lesson. If you like, be in peace in that house. If you like, don't. Eh? What is all this? Creating expenses now for we the in-laws. Eh? That one died out of your child carelessness. Quarrel here and there. Eh? Oh my God.
Nem, Okoro's wives are just a bundle of disgrace to womanhood. Eh?
I don't know why these people cannot just live in peace. Eh?
Now that they have succeeded in killing their husband, is it better for them?
See how they have just made themselves widows just like that.
Now that their husband is no more, I just pray they learn their lessons.
I hope so too. If they like, let them learn their lessons. Otherwise, who knows what more tragedy awaits them.
That's their problem. You say it's 3 cups you want them.
Are you serious about selling me 3 cups?
No, it's 3, my dear. Don't worry. I'll put Jara for you. You're my friend.
My co-wife. Now we're done with Nollywood. It's time for us to get on. But the thing I want to discuss now is the issue on ground. I think we have to call a truce and have peace in this family. Yes. Because united we stand, but divided we will fall. When the in-laws and all the people around begin to come in here to claim what our husband left behind, how do we fight them if we are not united? So I am suggesting that we have peace and understanding in this compound so we can move forward.
You said the right thing, but as far as I'm concerned, I have never been the problem. I am a peace-loving woman, and I am ready to live in peace with you, even any other person.
That is good to hear. And from now on, I will call you Peace. That is your new name. Eh?
Your name is also Peace.
Thank you. Well, we will try. And as for those our daughters that come into this compound to make us fight each other, we need to ignore them. We need to tell them to stay back in their husband's home. You know they come here, cause trouble, then they return to their husband's homes and they relax and enjoy themselves. No fighting. While they come here to pump and put fuel, no more. We say no to them. What do you think?
Everything you said is okay. Accepted.
Okay.
Let me go to my apartment.
Okay, my sister. My co-wife.
Oh, darling.
When I cook I will bring some for you.
Even me, when I cook yam, I will bring for you.
That also. There's nothing like peace in this life. With peace, a lot of things are possible. Why did she call you?
Maybe she's tired of making waves with me and then looking for peace. Peace.
You have to be very careful of this thing. This is what she's talking about, please. Look at what she's up to.
I am not a child. I am not a child. My major concern is that houseboy that left ever since our husband died. Very soon your husband will start complaining. And I don't like it. I won't want that. Which is...
This is to go in the house Naija. She wants us to avoid that going.
Hey! Nice one! That's very good. I like it.
Safe journey. I will. Thank you. Bye-bye. Safe journey. My regards to your husband. Make sure you enter a nice bus, so. Eh?
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. And you?
I did, thank you. Because Mama, I was wondering, I don't know, this girl that we asked to be coming to sweep the compound, has she been around or what?
Oh, that's true. I've not seen anybody.
Children of these days.
How?
Their ears are for fancy. Eh?
They are the same thing everywhere.
Well, let us keep hoping that she will still come.
I hope so.
Okay. Come, Balo.
It's okay.
Okay. Wow.
Use night bus?
No, Mama. She slept in our house in Onitsha and early this morning we left.
Hey.
Yes, Mama. Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Nchedo. Nchedo, I'm from Nsukka.
Iwu? Nchedo Nsukka. Welcome.
Nchedo, this is my mother. The woman you will take care of. Very good care of. Is important. Have you heard?
No problem. Problem at all. Nsubado, come, let's go inside. Huh?
My co-wife made arrangements to get herself removed. And she didn't even deem it fit to let me. So, no matter how hard you try to make them know peace and love peace, they will never embrace peace. So why? It is well. Should I receive her? Hold your ears. We are not in good terms with them. Don't greet them.
Don't talk to them. In fact, don't even acknowledge they stay in this compound. Do you hear me?
Auntie, I've heard you. But my mother in the village told me that I should always greet my elders whenever I meet them in the road. Because I will not know when I will meet an angel.
This woman and her daughter are not angels. In fact, they are devils. Hey. And if you know how you avoid devils, avoid them.
Okay, so I've heard you too. But my pastor in the church also taught us that our full human beings are not evil.
Now I am telling you that these people are devils.
Hey! Okay, stop this. Take her inside. Show her around first. Then before all these instructions.
Mama, I'm rushing back to Onitsha right now. That's why I want to give her this important information. Because it's very important.
Let her drop her bag first.
Mama, thank you.
Carry your bag.
You're very hardworking young girl.
You will wash, you will sweep, you will clean the house. That's very good. Well done, eh? Is it that she is deaf and dumb? This one she's not answering. Even if she doesn't even hear what I'm saying, at least she can see me standing in front of her. Can't she greet? See.
Hey! What? What? Eh? Greeting is it by force? If someone doesn't want to greet you, won't you go? You talk that thing you're talking, you talk it by yourself. Oh. Leave me alone. Sorry for yourself. How dirty she is. If it goes fire, cover myself.
I don't know what they told that girl. Do you know that this girl doesn't even talk to me? She doesn't greet me. In short, if I'm passing, it's like there's no one passing. I can't even send her on an errand. I don't know what they told her. But Mama, I told you this before now. Oge and her evil mother don't need your peace. It is obvious they have fed that girl with lies about us. Yes, but it's not nice now. How can all of us be living in this compound and we'll be fighting each other like cat and dogs? Oh my God. Eh? We need peace. Mama, you cannot force peace on someone that doesn't want your peace. It's as simple as that. Let them be. Stay on your own now. Well, the thing is that my major problem here is that I need somebody that will help me, run around, do some small errands. It's just okay, go tell you for Okili or something. Someone you can send. Is that all? Well, yes. Yes. Don't worry. I'll see what I'll do about it. Oh, okay.
Are you mad or something? Are you stupid? You're actually ruling the compound, sweeping half of it and leaving the rest. What's the matter with you? Are you stupid or something?
Hey, this woman, no. Leave me alone, no. How many times will I have to tell you not to touch me? Oh?
Hey.
If you're saying you can say whatever you want to say, but don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I can see you're mad. You know, you have no respect, but not in this compound. You must have it in this compound.
You should respect. Eh? How do you expect me to sweep my portion and also to sweep your own portion for you? For what now?
I see. So this compound has been divided into two. You now share the compound into two. You sweep one side and then you leave the other side. You know what, my dear? It will not work. As the first wife in this compound, I will not tolerate it. Just listen and listen very well. Go and tell those people that have been feeding you with rubbish and lies that I said that you will not sweep half of this compound. It's either you sweep the whole compound or nothing gets swept. Do you understand me?
This man, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. You are looking for somebody that people will say that she broke an old woman's waist for her. But it's not me, oh. It's not me that will break your waist for you, oh. Just leave me alone, oh.
Wait, this waist we are talking about, is it this waist? The waist that Okoro could not break.
I'll break it.
When a child like you think you can break this waist?
Okay. Let me go and tell my madam. I'll break your waist. Hey! Go and tell her I'm waiting.
Where is the noise coming out from?
You know that woman? Eh? That woman is looking for somebody that people will say that she broke her waist. But I told her that it's not me. It's not me that will break her waist for her. It's not me.
What did she do?
That my auntie that brought me here, told me not to sweep the entire compound. That I should only sweep our own portion. As I was sweeping our portion, this woman just came out and started insulting herself. Let's have her ask about me, oh. Let's have her ask about me, Unubolon Suka. I'm from Unubolon Suka. Let's have her ask about me. See, I fought 3 heavy men like that, and I defeated all of them. Don't talk of that woman. What you want push, I'll give to her. She will die.
Don't even try it. Go and continue with what you're doing.
Tell that woman to talk to her. Talk to her.
Go sweep the entire compound.
Hey. Oh, madam. You are confusing my hair. You are confusing my head. Until we come out and tell me to sweep half. You tell me to sweep all of them. Hey. I should go back.
Go and continue with what you're doing.
Okay.
You sweep the entire compound. It belongs to all of us. How can you drag sweeping of compound with a woman of her age?
My hair is full though. You are confusing my hair.
Just go and sweep it. Oh?
Okay. Come and sweep your half and half. Let me see.
Nonsense.
Show you trouble. I go show you trouble. I go in a ball of generator. Maybe you wanna respect. If I hold you, because
Mama!
Chedo, what is it?
Mama, great thing happened in this compound. No.
Great things like what? What is it?
You see, because of that little thing that happened in the morning, that other auntie, that one that is white, she went and brought a girl for her mother too.
Are you serious?
I saw them now. They're outside now.
There's nothing that will not happen in this compound. Go and continue with what you're doing.
Eh. I should. Okay. Let me come. And what is your name? Amuche Chukwu. So, which part of Abakaliki are you from?
Izam.
Amuche. Listen very carefully. My mother's co-wife and her stupid daughter conspired and brought one useless girl that says she's from Nsukka, who has been insulting my mother since she came. I want you to deal with her. Don't give her space at all. Deal with her mercilessly until she runs out of this village. Did you hear me?
Auntie, you don't have to worry yourself. I'm coming straight for Abakaliki. Our people don't hear a word. If she hears where I am coming from, I believe she will just go into hiding. Also.
Okay. One more thing. No errand for them. Don't even talk to them. If she tries to talk to you, ordinary greeting. Give her the insult of her life. Buff her with insults. Yes. That is exactly what that useless girl has been doing to my mother.
Yes, sir.
Enolia?
Uncle, you don't have any problem.
Ngwa, go inside,
Amuche. It's that girl. It's that mbo.
Mama, darling, I have this under control. Thank you.
Wansukaya, we'll go to sleep very soon.
See, I want to cook for my mother, so you better do fast and leave this kitchen.
Am I the one you are talking to? Am I the one you are talking to? Answer me!
Is there any other person stay here with us? I'm talking to you. Do fast and leave this kitchen now.
Hey. Okay. If you want to cook, go ahead and cook. I am not stopping you.
Hey.
Can't you see we have two things here? You can still go outside there and look for firewood. And start cooking now.
Hey! So you want both of us to start sharing bottom in this small kitchen? It's not possible. Biko, leave this kitchen. Let me cook.
Hey, stop it! See, stop it! Don't even try to talk to me in that manner. Don't even try it in your entire life. Are you mad?
Am I the one you are talking to like this?
Am I the one? Me, Amuche. Who are you? What is your name? Tell me, what are you called?
In fact, let me go and warn my madam. Because if I lay my finger on you, you'll find yourself in mortuary this morning.
Hey! Try it! Try it! Let's see both of us who will end up in mortuary. Okay. If you try it on your entire life, I will just break you too.
Okay.
See this your useless stature. I will break you too. Try it now! What are you waiting for? Try it!
I'm coming.
Hey! Hey! In fact, let me go and tell my madam too. Hey! Try it! Amuche, who were you quarreling with at the backyard?
Mama, you had better want that short girl. Whether she is from Nsukka or anywhere, I don't care. Any day she tries me in this house, I will teach her the lesson of her lifetime.
Amuche, please. I want peace in this compound. Ignore that girl and mind your own business. Biko.
I will mind her, but any day she tries that again, I will use this my two hands and break her into two.
These two hands, it is enough, my daughter. Forget her, Osuko. Inugo, let peace reign.
Let her go and ask about me and where I'm coming from.
Mama, nobody can intimidate us in the whole wide world. Let her go and ask about Nsukka people. I am a daughter of Nsukka and she cannot do anything. If she doubts me in this house, I will break her into two. I'll break that Abakaliki and get into two.
Nchedu,
Mama,
Have you finished cooking?
It's very slow.
Go and finish it fast because I'm hungry.
Mama, you're not saying anything about this thing now.
Nchedo, I said I am hungry. Go and finish what you're doing.
Okay.
So I can eat.
Okay, let me go and do food for you.
I go show you trouble. Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a chama trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a ball, ta 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 ta, ka generator. You wanna respect.
If you look at me, I will look at you. You are not the only one that have big eyes.
Okay, no problem. Let me finish cooking first. No problem. Let me finish cooking.
Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a chama trouble. In a chamoku, I go show you trouble. Hey, I'm up on awesome.
What are you doing here?
I'm sitting down.
Why are you not sweeping the compound?
Hey, Mama, I will not sweep this compound for that girl. Mama, it's either we divide this compound too. She will sweep half, I will sweep half. Like that my auntie that brought me here told me. I'm not her maid.
Nchedo, this compound belongs to our late husband. The same thing with us. And we are not sharing any part of it. So pick up your broom and sweep this entire place.
Hey, Mama.
Enano?
No, Mama, this one is cheating. Nobody will cheat me. Nobody will cheat me. See, it's good for us to divide this compound too. She'll sweep half, I will sweep half. No.
It's okay. Lawyer Obanya. Madam, suit yourself.
Yes. We'll divide it. That Abakaliki girl is having big head and she thinks she can intimidate. It's not possible. Dikeh, today, we will sweep the whole compound from one end of the road to the other end. Then you go to the back, clear that dirt there. Make sure everywhere is clean. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mama, I will not be the only one sweeping this compound though. We have to be doing it rotationally. If I sweep today, she will sweep tomorrow.
Madam, I have heard you. But you see, that girl been sweeping this compound before you came. So now you're here for the first time. Sweep the whole compound.
Mama, if I go now, I will tell her. We have to be doing it turn by turn.
Shishi, when you're talking to me, you don't pull your ear nor squeeze your face. No, go and get the broom and sweep the whole place. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Baba, am I the one you're talking to? Okay, what is it?
This compound that I'm sweeping, just because of one thing. Tomorrow, you will be the one to do the sweeping. After that, we'll be doing it turn by turn.
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. But you see, this compound, I've been the one sweeping this compound since. So before we start sharing it, you will sweep all those ones that I've swept already. Oh?
Yay! Yay! So you want to tell me the ones I have been sweeping in my father's house, Are you there? Are you there? Are you there?
I don't know. But since you have come, you sweep all of them, all the entire compound before we start sharing it. Oh?
Yay! See, I don't have any time. When tomorrow confess and you fail to sweep this compound, then I will show you who I am.
What will you do? Tell me, what will you do? What will you do?
See, I am not a barking dog.
Hello?
But I am a biting dog. When tomorrow confess and you fail to sweep this compound, then I will show you my enemy.
Hey! Say why, but if you want to bite, you start biting all your people. Yes. Starting from your father. 1. To your mother. 2. To all your relatives.
Hey! Don't dare call them.
Or what? Or else what? Check from here. Or else what? Or else what? What will you do? If I see that I'm living in this house, just let me go and warn Mama again. For you. This is the second time. Let me go and warn her and come back and see what I will do.
I go show you Torobo. Hey, I'm up on also.
When were you disturbing that gate?
I'm not disturbing everybody.
Chedu, were you not the one I asked to sweep the compound? You refused. Now someone else is doing it and you're disturbing her. Why?
I'm not disturbing anybody. She's the one that started it. Yes.
Let me warn you. You see this compound? It used to be a war zone. And we didn't get anything. Instead, it landed us being widows. Because our husband Okoro could no longer bear it. Nchedo, I wouldn't want anybody to take us back. Not even you. If you dare try it, you go back to Nsukka.
Hey, Mama, I'm not looking for anybody trouble. She's not a Abakaleke girl, she's the one that started it. See, Mama, I'm a peace-loving girl. But if that Abakaleke girl look for my trouble, Mama, I will break her into two.
You are not going to break anybody. You are not going to break her because I asked you to sweep the compound. You refuse. Hi. Okay. Okay, then put the money to tell him. Hi. Do it again. Let me teach you a lesson.
No. Hey, Mama. Okay.
Mama, you see that woman? She's the one that sent that girl to come and insult us and look for our trouble in this house.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm sure.
I see. I can see that woman is really looking for trouble. What kind of rubbish is this? You know, there used to be one in this family before our husband died. But I called her. I said, let us have peace. And she agreed. And now she's going back on her word. Said, yeah, no problem. She knows how it used to be then, before her husband died. The kind of war we used to have. She wants to go back to that page. No problem. That was part 1. Now we're going into part 2. And you know, normally part 2 is tougher than part 1. I will show that woman the kind of woman that I am. I will teach her a lesson she will never forget. Now, if it's what she wants, war she will get.
I am here to remind you about what you discussed after our husband's death. You know we've been living in peace. And I'm suggesting if these 2 girls will cause us to go back to what we used to be before, let us send them back to their people. We've been managing, so let's continue managing.
I didn't even know this is what you came here to discuss.
And I actually brought a seat for you to sit down. Hey, you know, you will never change. Yes, I thought you were a different person, but you can never ever change. You know what you are? A chameleon.
Me? Chameleon? What do you mean?
You want to know? Hey, look at you. Look at you. You think I don't know you're the one that sends that your nonsense girl, Nchedo, to come here and insult Amuchi and I? Eh? Treat us anyhow. And then you come here pretending that you don't know what I'm talking about. You know, you're the kind of person that walks elegantly to the back of the house, strikes a match, sets the whole place on fire. Then you quickly run to the front edge and you'll be screaming, fire, fire, fire. Hey, who set the whole place on fire? You know what, it is you.
Amuchu, so at this my age, you will believe that I will do such a silly thing? Hey! Do you know that I almost sent that girl back to her people just because I found out that she was insulting your girl? And you opened your mouth to accuse me falsely. No problem. No problem. God, who judge both the secret and in the physical, will judge me and you.
He will judge us, so he will definitely judge us. Amuche! Amuche!
Mama!
Yeah, Amuche. I hope you're not lying against Mama.
Me? Lying what? Mama, don't lie you.
Are you sure that Mama told that Nsuka girl to come and be insulting us?
Mama, me too. Is she denying it? Hey, Mama.
What?
Don't mind that woman. Don't mind that woman. She's nothing but a pretender.
See, this thing is not a joke. I want to be sure that she's the one that sends that Nsuka girl. Are you sure?
Mama.
I want to know the truth.
Mama, I am very, very sure. I was passing for you. I overheard her telling that girl never to see her. That if I refuse to do it, that she will shoot me up. Yeah? Mama, I overheard everything. She is the one behind everything that is going on in this compound.
All this noise I heard last night, didn't you hear?
Is it from Mazukoro's place?
Where else?
My sister. Uju and Oge went and brought maids for their mom.
Maids?
I'm telling you.
The
maids are the ones terrorizing the whole community. They have turned everywhere to Iraq and Iran. Osama bin Laden.
When will there be total calmness from this family? Hello. Yeah? So they have resorted to adding more fuel to fire. Is that why you're looking for me? I only came to confirm. Please go to where we are going. Onya sir.
Go, John. See you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Don't you know how to greet someone that is older than you? Have you no respect?
Which respect?
Why am I even asking? You have no home training. Your parents obviously did not train you well.
Which respect, eh? Which respect are you talking about? When you and that Abakaleke girl made my mother to be crying all through the night. Eh? And you are here seeking for respect. Which respect?
Crying.
Crying. You are pretending as if you don't know. Because it was after coming to see you last night that she came in crying. But see, let me tell you, for me, I will not cry for anybody in this compound at all. I will not cry for anybody. But if anybody look for my trouble, I will bring that person too.
You will break somebody. You will deal with somebody.
I will deal with that person.
I'm not sure you know how short you are. Yes, you're a very short girl. And I can't see you dealing with anybody. How? Are you going to jump up to deal with the person or what?
See, just try it. Try it and you will see. Try it.
You know what? We're not on the same level. All I have to do is send Amuche, my girl, to come and face you. Hey. Both of you are on the same page. You're too small for me to talk to.
Hey! Go her! I've been waiting for that shot. Hey. Is she short? I've been waiting for that girl since. Go on, let's all come. Let's do it man to man. Let's do it bone to bone. Okay, you don't know I've been waiting for her since. Bring her. I said bring her. Let's try it man to man. Bone to bone. Bring her out, oh. It has been a long time I've been waiting for this girl. Bring her. I said bring her out. Just bring her. Thank you, God. Thank God you are here.
Is it my mother you are embarrassing for?
Yes. Hey!
Fight. Leave them to fight. If they're fighting, they will learn to respect their elders.
Hey, wasted. Uncle, you just shut up. Don't call my name.
What have I done now? I told you to leave them, but you wouldn't listen.
You are very wicked.
Now they've broken your waist.
Don't. Are you no longer Udoka?
Is it the left side or the right side? Next time, Igbo fish. Let's go inside.
My waist.
My waist too. One sucker, you killed me. How would you? Sorry, stop crying. Go and call my daughter, go and get my phone. Bring my phone so that you call okay for me. Tell her to come down now. Where is your phone? It's inside my room. Okay. Get it inside my bag. Go and get it. Are you giving me? I said you should call Ogechuku. Tell her to come now. I don't know how to use this phone. You don't know how to use the phone. But you know how to shout. You know how to fight. That's the only thing you know how to do in this house. Simple call. Simple call. You don't know how to. Go to this our neighbor. Tell her to call Ogechuku. Let her come now.
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
His mama that sent me. She said I should come and check if any of your children is at home, so that they can help her call her daughter on phone.
Call her daughter on phone? You too? So you don't know how to operate handset?
As you become, It's not that I don't know how to operate handset, but just that this type is confusing me small. Yes, it's still confusing me small.
Go.
Hey.
All of them is at home.
Hey.
They went out. You can come back and leave.
Hey.
Go!
Okay.
Trouble here and there.
Even
you don't know how to operate handset, but you know how to cause trouble here and there.
Hey. Oh, what? Okay. Hey. Okay.
Hello? Auntie? Auntie? You see that girl? I beat her well today. I showed her you brought me for Abakeleke. Even her mama, madam. I beat her well. I pushed her to the floor and she was shouting, my way so. Yes, auntie. Okay. Bye.
Even this Abakeleke girl knows how to call somebody. Hey. Chedo, you are so fat. Mama, there is nobody in their house except their father.
Hey, look at the phone. Phone that small girls and boys are using. They know how to operate it. At your age, you can't even pay that number.
Mama, Mama, it's not like I cannot use this phone. But this your type is confusing me. Mama,
how am I going to tell my daughter what is going on in her father's compound?
Mama,
that Mamuju and her house help, even one sucker, all of them connived together. Butchani menu boom.
Mama, see, you see Amuchi, that Amuchi Abakeleke. I saw her when she was making call. She's calling Antuju, and she said she pushed you and now beat me. Mama, but she think I didn't see. I saw her.
I know it too. I know they have plans.
Yes.
They have plans. They want to do it something. They have plans.
But
God will not allow them to achieve it.
Yes.
My concern is call Oge. Tell Oge that they have killed her mother.
Where does you want me to
go? Just move around. Anybody you see, tell the person to bring out Oge's number inside the phone. Then you call her. Okay.
Okay, let me carry this. Auntie! It's me, Chedo. Hey, Mama! Hello? Auntie, talk to me. Hey! Oh! Auntie, is it network? Hey! What is it now? Hey! Oh! Hey! She has called again, though. Yes. Hello? Hey, it's me, Chedo. Hey, Master, I share you. Auntie, talk to me now. What did you talk to me? Hello? Is it network? I spoke to this case. What is it?
The phone is still ringing now. Eh? Pick the call first.
What do you want me?
Press the button.
Hello? Hey, thank you. Hello, Auntie? Hey, it's me. Hey, Master, you should come back now. There is fire in the mountain in our house. Yes. You see that Abakileke girl? That Abakileke girl pushed Mama and Mama fell down. My waist is shaking, yes. Auntie, come back, confirm Mama will die in that house. Come back. We are waiting, Okay. Thank you. Cut it. Let me go and tell Mama that.
Mamuju and her daughter brought that here. He brought that girl so that she will send me to my early grave. Hey!
Mama, so you mean that girl pushed you to the floor?
She pushed me. You need to see the balance, the way she was positioning herself with the pushing. Before I know what was going on, I was already up. And let it bam like caterpillar.
Hey.
Everything shattered.
Chedo, when all these things were happening, what did you do to that girl?
Hey, Auntie, I tried, but before you know it, Mama was already on the floor. And I rushed to help Mama up.
Mama, please. Try, let me see. Just try hard.
Hey!
Push the floor. You push my back to the floor.
Yay! They are with police, so.
What is it? So you brought this girl into this compound to beat up my mother, right?
No, you're the one that started it. When you brought this short engine into this compound to insult me, were you not thinking?
Hey, is it that you're calling team? Respect yourself before it becomes our own. What is talking to them? Put your knife.
Will you shut up, Mama, and let me talk? Just pray. Pray to God that nothing happens to my mother. If not, this compound will not contain the both of us.
Please, what kind of prayers do you want me to start praying? I am scared, though. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You started this war. When you were busy stroking the fire, you never realized that one day it would burn. Did you ever think that a day like this would ever come? You did not.
I won't say anything. I won't say anything until tomorrow. Let my mother not get well. Then you will see my true colors. Let's go.
Your color is not hidden. Your color is not hidden.
You cannot be fair and black at the same time. True color indeed. You don't even know your color. Because if you knew, you wouldn't have stepped in here. Look at that short engine. Folks engine.
And let's go inside.
Hello, Auntie. Auntie, there is a war today. There is a big war today. Your mother's school wife called her daughter on the phone and she came back with some boy to come and kill your mother and I. If not for me, Auntie, they would have killed us. Okay. She's inside. Okay. One bye-bye.
Where are they? Come out! Come out! Hey, people!
Auntie, wake up, bros, wake up.
Amuchi,
Ma?
did anybody touch you?
They wanted to, but I stopped them.
Are you sure?
Trust me now. I'm sure. She's sleeping. She's inside.
Let me see. No. I need to see that witch of a woman. Come. As fast as possible. Go back home. Come back in 2 rounds. Hey. Listen. 7 tubers of yams. And 7 heads of kola nut. For us to appease the gods and cleanse our land, because these your words have polluted our land. We need to cleanse the land. Ezemo must perform the cleansing ritual. So you must be fast about this.